Morning, everyone. So this morning we're gonna continue on with the rooftop tent build and go from there and see how it looks once we get it all done and put it in the back of the truck and see if we like it. Stay tuned and we'll show you the finished product when it's all said and done. All right, everyone, got the other part of the rack built. This is what it looks like right here. We'll end up, I got 4 ratchet straps. I'm going to drill a hole here, bolt them down, and then they're going to tie down to the anchor points on the truck itself in the bed. And then I'll be able to remove this with ease with a skid steer or my crane. But anyways, that's what it looks like. We're going to go ahead and go get some more hardware, and then we'll work on putting the rooftop tent on it, see what it looks like. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Feel free to follow, subscribe, and whatnot. And if you like what you see, click that subscribe button. Also, don't forget, got any suggestions, questions, whatever, leave them in the comments. Answer best I can. Y'all have a nice day. See y'all next time.